Brief introduction. Hi, my name is Ramesh Autar and I am a retired educator at the high school level. Before I tell you more about myself, let me explain what this channel is all about. Initially, I thought it would be helpful to my CSEC Physics students if there is a YouTube channel to supplement what they learn in school as it relates to the mathematics involved at this level. That would include all the formulae required as well as the construction and interpretation of graphs for the CSEC physics syllabus and examination. Additionally, there are two areas in chemistry that many students have difficulty with: mole concept and its use, that's one, and electrochemistry. I will try to deal with these as well as we go along. I will also include some videos in relation to learning to play an electronic keyboard for traditional church music and learning to play an acoustic nylon string guitar, both at beginner's level. In order to understand the required music theory, the use of a recorder would also be employed. Everybody is interested in achieving and maintaining good health, and this is especially important for those of us over 55 years old. I have done hundreds of hours of research on this and will share my findings in a few of these videos. Take those on advisement. Many students fail CSEC mathematics, but it is crucial to their future educational and career advancement. This channel will include many videos from the syllabus in a systematic manner. But not all such videos on CSEC mathematics will be available in their entirety on YouTube. For that, you will be directed to another site that charges a reasonable fee. I will also include some videos on religion. Is there a God or not? If so, with what level of certainty can you say that there is a God? Of the many gods, what method can be used to determine the true God? And also, even now, I have some students who have difficulties with certain aspects of information technology. I will also include some videos on these problem areas. Example, repetition logic in program design or ranking in spreadsheet and so on. Back to the subscription channel for the full CSEC math course. The Math CXC Math syllabus is divided into 8 sections as you can see here. The first one is number theory and computation, followed by consumer arithmetic and so on. Section 1 is subdivided into 32 videos, that is, I have prepared section 1 as 32 videos, all of which will be made available on YouTube in their entirety. This section forms the foundation on which the rest of the syllabus is based. And by the time students get to Form 3 in the conventional, traditional high school, secondary school, they should be able to manage section 1 very well. So section 1 will be offered, the whole section 1. Now if you look at it and you see that you could handle it very well, that will predict how well you will do the rest of the syllabus. You can then decide if you want to sign up for the subscription channel. By the way, all the other mathematics videos will be partially available on YouTube. Subscription to the full CSEC math course. As it relates to the subscription channel for the entire math course, let me be quite clear about it. Most students in school do not need to go that route. If you, 1, pay attention in your math classes in school, 2, do the in-class work, and 3, do the take-home assignments, you will not need to pay this extra money for similar teaching or learning on the internet, or to go for extra evening classes as some students are accustomed to doing. If you are a working adult who still needs to pass CSEC math, you may find the subscription channel useful. Note that you will also need to purchase 1 or 2 math textbooks that were written specifically for CSEC math, which forms 4 and 5 students use in a regular secondary school. The syllabus has some recommendations. Here is an example of a very good 2-volume set of math textbooks that is quite adequate for the current CSEC math syllabus. There is a volume 1, Mathematics, a Complete Course by Raymond Tulsi, and then there is also a volume 2. Disclaimer, I get no financial benefits from the sale of these books. Organization of the channel. The first 4 letters of each video will indicate what it is about. For example, if you see Math 2_6, simple interest, it means that it is from the math syllabus, section 2, objective 6, and we are dealing with simple interest. If you see PHYS 10, resultant of 2 forces, we will be talking about the resultant of 2 forces, and that will be the 10th video in the physics series. If you see Music 3, if it is entitled What Do You Mean Key, then we will be discussing what do we mean by key, and that will be the 3rd video in the music series, and so on. There is religion, there is health, there's chemistry, and there is IT. So that is a lot of work. You will have full free access to all videos except math sections 2 to 9, which offers partial access as notification. Okay, now to continue my introduction. As I said before, my name is Ramesh Autar, and I am a retired educator at the high school level. I said retired since I worked at the secondary school level for over 30 years and actually retired in August 2020. I am now recording these videos beginning in early February 2024. I use the term educator since I work both at the administrative, principal and deputy principal level and teacher level. As it relates to my teacher function at school, I work in the STEM field, specifically chemistry, physics, and computers, IT and EDPM. Even after I officially retired, my services were needed mainly to teach physics at the CSEC level and IT to a lesser extent, which I have been doing for the last 3 years. Actually, 3 complete years. This is now the 4th academic year. After this academic year, I don't think I will return to the traditional classroom. During my 25 plus years of teaching physics, I have found that many students have difficulties with the math involved at this level. Hence, the original motivation for these videos. And also, many students are afraid to even attempt physics because they think that the math involved is difficult. Let me assure you that it isn't, at least not at this level. This series of videos is my attempt to help the CSEC physics students who may have some problems with some of these formulae. These physics formulae videos can be used in different ways. Students may learn how to use these formulae before they even get to the class, called the inverted classroom. Students may use them to reinforce the usage of these formulae after they did them in class. Teachers may assign students to view a particular video based on what will be done in class next, and also parents can use them to help their children in school. As it relates to my education, I originally did a first degree with a double major in education and science and was certified to teach chemistry and physics physics and chemistry at the high school level. Subsequently, there were numerous accredited and certified courses that I did using what is known today as the blended approach. I did ICT integration in the curriculum, UWI St. Augustine, adult and continuing education, UTEC Jamaica, and then a bunch of computer programs, computer certification, A plus, network plus, security plus, and MCSE. As for my teaching experience, I worked at the same parochial school for all of these 35 years, teaching physics, information technology, and EDPM concurrently, and chemistry at the CSEC level. To a lesser extent, I did teach introductory music, theory, and instrument at grade 7 for quite a number of years, as well as a few years of introductory Spanish in the same grade 7. I also taught CXC Math with the Adult and Continuing Education Division of the Ministry of Education for a few years. Now that should suffice as an introduction, but if anyone needs more information about me, I don't need to tell you about social media and Google. Now we turn our attention to the matter, no pun intended, at hand. Formulae used in CSEC Physics and the use of significant figures to begin with. Oh, I almost forgot. Based on this introduction, if you are interested in any aspect of what this channel has to offer, then please subscribe and share. Each video will begin with a notice like this. That's essentially copyright. And here is the logo that goes with it. It says RO, which is a pun on the word arrow, meaning to the point, easy learning. Of course, the channel itself is Arrow, ARRO, the W is dropped. Arrow Easy Learning. And hopefully, the tutoring and learning which follows will be easy and to the point.